All right. Longo is back with a video on translations. In this unit, you're going to learn about 4 different types of transformations, and translations is one of them. And it's the most basic because all you're going to do is shift a figure, keeping the exact same size, shape, orientation. Nothing's going to change except for the location. Now, before you can translate, you have to understand the notation so you know what it's asking you to do. So if we're going to translate something 3 units to the left and 4 units up, the different notations would be coordinate notation. XY is going to move 3 units to the left, so we're going to say x minus 3. And up 4 units, which would be y plus 4. That's coordinate notation. Vector notation, we're just going to use these little brackets. -3, 4. That means 3 units left or a -3. And a +4, shift or 4 up. And the last one is just translate notation. The big T stands for translate. And then as a subscript, we just say where it's going to go. -3 or 3 to the left and 4 up with a +4. Okay? Now that you understand the translation notations, performing an actual translation is pretty easy. All you need to do is understand where you're going first. All 3 of these represent the same thing, 2 to the right and 5 down. So that's all you have to do is count 2 to the right and 5 down for each one of these coordinates. So A goes 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And call it A prime. That's the new way of naming him. That means he's been moved. And then you do the same thing for B. Move B 2 to the right, 5 down, put a dot, call him B prime. One last time for C, 2 to the right, 5 down, call him C prime, connect the dots, and you are good to go. You just shifted triangle ABC 2 to the right and 5 down. So the last thing I want you to do is just try writing the 3 notations for these. Just because that's the hardest part about this is just knowing your different notations. After that, it's pretty simple to do. So go ahead, pause the video, and try these on your own. For this one, you should have XY is going to go to X plus 7 and Y minus 4. Vector would be 7, -4. And translate, 7, -4. Okay, those 2 are going to be very similar. And the last one, since you're not moving to the right or left, XY is going to stay X. And this is going to become Y plus 3. This is 0 units horizontally and up 3. And same with this guy. And that's it. That's it for translating. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.